A Pakistani expert said that China proposed a global security initiative respects people's needs for prosperity and development instead of benefiting from others' misfortunes. That's according to Shakil Ahmad Remain, the Chief Executive Officer of Islamabad-based Asian Institute of Eco-Civilization Research and Development.
Global Security Initiative is a different initiative from the prevailing initiatives or the system of security. If we look at the prevailing system of the security or the order or the other alliances, that has been built with a key focus of military, conflict, selling of weapons, arms, or to benefit from the misery of the other people. When China says global security initiative, so it is based on the human and their needs for the prosperity and development and to live in the peace. Global security initiative focused on building the peace by resolving the conflict by applying the principles of dialogue and development go hands in hand. One major achievement is an agreement between Iran and Saudi Arabia. I think that agreement has far-reaching impact on not only the Muslim world and the region but also on the world. China is committed to the GSI. That means peace and development, they are interrelated. That's why people are putting high hopes. They are thinking GSI will pave a way for a sustainable development and the peace. It will also help to construct a community with a shared future.